If you're seeing the SU-MD-HSH manifest error in Epic Games, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a simple fix that works for a lot of users. This error usually means the launcher is having trouble updating or syncing the game manifest, and in many cases, the issue can be solved by clearing the EpicGamesLauncher web cache and then waiting a little while for the server sync to complete. So if your download is stuck, your update won't start, or Epic Games is throwing this manifest error, follow along step by step. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick gaming and PC fix tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it keeps you updated with more simple troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's get into the fix. First, you want to completely close the Epic Games Launcher. This is important because if the launcher is still running in the background, the cache files may not delete properly. To do this, check your system tray near the clock and make sure Epic Games is fully exited. If needed, you can also open Task Manager and end any Epic Games Launcher processes just to be safe. Once the launcher is fully closed, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Run dialog box. In that box, type %localappdata%, then hit Enter. This takes you directly to your local app data folder, which is where Epic Games stores some of its launcher files. Now, inside the local folder, look for a folder called Epic Games Launcher. Open that folder, then go into Saved. Inside Saved, you should see cache folders such as webcache, webcache_4147, or webcache_4430. Depending on your version of the launcher, you may see one or more of these folders. What you want to do next is delete those webcache folders. You can right-click each one and choose Delete, or select them and press Delete on your keyboard. Don't worry, these are temporary cache files, so removing them is a safe step and often fixes launcher display and update issues like this one. After deleting the cache folders, close the File Explorer window. Now comes the part that a lot of people miss. You need to wait for some time before reopening Epic Games. In many cases, waiting around 15 minutes gives the launcher enough time to resync with the servers properly. This is especially important if the SU-MD-HSH error is being caused by a failed manifest update or a temporary server-side sync problem. So take a short break, wait about 15 minutes, and then open the Epic Games Launcher again. Once it loads, sign in if needed and check whether the error is gone. In most cases, the launcher should refresh normally and your game update or download should continue without the manifest error. If it still doesn't work right away, give it a little more time and try launching the app again. Sometimes the issue is temporary and resolves after the server finishes syncing in the background. You can also restart your computer after waiting, then try opening Epic Games once more. So just to recap the fix quickly, close the Epic Games Launcher completely, press Windows+R, type %localappdata%, go to Epic Games Launcher, then Saved, delete the web cache folders, wait about 15 minutes, and restart the launcher. That simple process resolves the SU-MD-HSH manifest error for many players. If this video saved you time, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy fixes, gaming tutorials, and PC troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.